Meta loves sharing your data, but you probably don't. If Instagram is automatically dumping your private stories, posts, and even reels onto Facebook, we're killing that feature today. I'm going to show you the updated 2026 path to disconnect them on your Pixel in under a minute. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon. Hit those three lines at the top. Notice that Meta moved things. You don't need to scroll. Tap Accounts Center right at the top of your Settings and Activity menu. Inside the Account Center, look for Connected Experiences. Tap that, then select Sharing Across Profiles. This is the control room for everything Meta shares between your accounts. If you have multiple accounts, you'll see a list here. Tap the specific Instagram profile you want to stop from sharing to Facebook. Here are the culprits. To completely stop the leak, toggle off your Instagram posts, your Instagram story, and don't forget your Instagram Reels. Once these are grayed out, you're finally disconnected. Your content now stays exactly where you put it. If this updated guide saved you a headache, hit that like button. Subscribe to Tech Guide Genie for more Pixel-specific fixes that actually respect your time. I'll see you in the next one.